What if I told you you don't need to be rich to start building wealth? What if just $10 a day could completely change your financial future? Most people believe wealth is only for those with high-paying jobs, large inheritances, or lucky investment opportunities. But that's not how many wealthy people actually started. Many began with small, consistent habits, repeated over many years. Because building wealth isn't always about how much you earn. It's about what you do with what you have. In this video, we'll explore how investing just $10 a day can become the foundation of long-term wealth, and why consistency often beats trying to get rich overnight. Let's begin. Most people ignore small amounts of money. They think, it's only $10. What difference could that possibly make? But wealth is often built through small actions, repeated consistently. Think about it. Many people spend $10 a day on things they barely remember a week later. Now imagine redirecting that same money toward your future instead. Small decisions made every single day can produce surprisingly big results over time.
One habit nearly every successful saver develops is paying themselves first. Instead of waiting to see what's left over each month, they save or invest first, even if it's only $10. Because saving isn't about the amount, it's about building the habit. Once the habit becomes automatic, increasing the amount becomes much easier. Consistency creates discipline, and discipline creates wealth. Saving money is important, but money sitting idle may not grow very much. Many people choose to invest part of their savings in assets such as index funds, ETFs, dividend-paying stocks, or other long-term investments. The goal isn't to chase quick profits. It's to give your money the opportunity to grow over time. Instead of working only for money, you begin allowing your money to work for you.
One of the most powerful forces in finance is compound growth. When your investments earn returns, those returns may begin earning returns too, over months, years, and decades. Building wealth isn't only about investing. It's also about avoiding unnecessary spending. Small daily expenses can quietly drain your future wealth. Ask yourself before every purchase, do I really need this? Will this improve my life? Or am I simply buying out of habit? Reducing unnecessary spending doesn't mean eliminating enjoyment. It means spending intentionally. As your income grows, your investments can grow too. Maybe today it's $10 a day. Next year, it could become $15, then $20. The important thing isn't perfection. It's continuous progress. Every increase brings your financial goals closer. Small investments can grow into surprisingly large amounts. That's why starting early often matters more than starting with a large amount. Time is one of your greatest financial assets.
Saving and investing are powerful, but increasing your income can accelerate the process. Learn valuable skills, start a side business, freelance online, create digital products, invest in yourself. The more income you generate, the more you can invest, and the faster your wealth can grow. Building wealth doesn't require perfection. It doesn't require a six-figure salary, and it doesn't require waiting for the perfect moment. Sometimes, it simply starts with $10 a day. Small actions, repeated consistently, month after month, year after year, can create a financial future that once seemed impossible. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight. It's built one smart decision at a time.
If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more finance, investing, and wealth building content. And tell us in the comments, if you started investing just $10 a day today, what would be your very first investment?